ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka 3 Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Hadin baka Sorkar Jilna kalapan bana ya ke Elekshon MDC ka Bansalong ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ha ka Khandai Trik ubna yayong 8,000 arphuway na kaliang jong ka National Congress Party NCP kalapan pao bakan Pynïeng la kumno tang ar ne Ngut AA ki Kyrtong. Ya kani la pentip na President jong ka NCP Meghalaya State Unit usaleng sangma habaya keren bat kinat pathay kubor ha ka arpo Khandai Trik ukulalangkot 8,000 arphuway. Shosho usaleng sangma ulaong baka NCP ka kwaru banwanra ya ka jingkala ha ka bayade bat ka kenrum ka kenram bat ka jingbamyo tulop jong kinong tray ka council menta la laisnem kenti kat hadu baka labo jing ya ki ban pendap penbiang bat ban pesa yala ka ying kasem.
You see, I'm totally alone even in the whole Meghalaya. Now I have to know where I stand, you know. Just by saying all these things doesn't mean that I can change it directly. But you need the people's support to do so. And moreover, I don't have much capacity, especially financially, to put all the candidates in every corner of the Meghalaya. I mean the Garo Hills, as for now. You see, everything depends on money. It circulates, revolves around the money itself. So during the election, if I put somebody, definitely I have to help them. And moreover, for this district council election, I'm not getting much support from the Delhi. So that way I cannot assure to give. That's why I'm saying that maybe I might put 2 or 3 or maybe more. But right now I cannot, say precisely actually how much I. The situation right now of the district council, I don't feel like putting much candidate. Maybe I might put 2, 3 like that, just for, being a national party, at least we have to be there, just to feel the presence only. Might be one of the reason actually, because you have seen last time, one of my MDC, he was swinging around here and there, after one, being there, So those kinds of mentalities are there. We thought that a few individuals might be good, standing up with your own principle, but they are none. So that way, this is one of the reasons, as you rightly say. So there is no such restriction. He can swing from one party to another party. So, concentrating party is also quite useless during this MDC election. I cannot decide alone. I've got my few members from the Garo Hills and even from the Castles also. So we have to decide whether we will have the pre-poll alliance or maybe the post-poll alliance, all those kinds of things. But you never know what will happen. So I cannot predict right now. Since I cannot predict myself, how can I predict about the future?